Okay, I am just testing out the microphone setup and this new camera setup. I came in here today and literally reorganized everything, and now my studio feels like it's meant to be a work studio, a creative studio, as opposed to it being kind of like a second home to me. But in this season of my life, I have ample amounts of time, but I am so scared of wasting my time if I'm not doing something that is productive or doing something that will amount to something in the future. But this is my season of trying, and I have all of this equipment. I've been here for literally 4 years, and it has taken me that amount of time to find something that looks nice and feels like me. And this feels really great. This is more of just like testing to see how it looks, see how this sounds. But like I said, I've been like so afraid of wasting my time, but I have so much time now. So it's like, who cares if I waste it? I've been dealing with a lot of imposter syndrome and have been feeling like so paralyzed in my content creation because I don't know if it's ever going to amount to anything. But I love doing it so much. And I think today I finally wanted to create a space that feels nice and feels good to sit down and connect with you all, regardless of what it is. I don't know what it's going to be, but we shall see. But I just wanted to really test out how this looks, how this sounds, and make better quality content in the future.